Oh my god.
Okay. So guys, hear me out. Okay, I'm here with Max and GeckoHand, who hasn't appeared on the channel yet. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
I'm alive.
So we got an idea. Okay, I'm gonna get an actual skin just so this freaking thing isn't annoying the hell out of me.
Wait, what skin do I have?
I'll be Savitar.
I'm the Mountain Dew God.
Okay.
Wait, let me fill
though?
for my channel. I mean, for my.
Okay, guys.
So
So our idea is to place about a bajillion C4 in here.
about 50,000 balls.
Yeah. Okay. So if we click Q and go over to entities, we have the bouncy ball in fun and games. Okay. If you spawn one, it's these little bouncy balls. Okay. I'm gonna. How can I destroy this thing? Can I shoot it? See, it goes everywhere.
No, press C, James. Just press C.
Z?
Yeah.
Why?
It's gone already. Goodbye.
Whatever. So we had the perfect idea to fill a whole entire place with C4 and then put about 500 bouncy balls inside of it and see what's gonna happen. So
it's a 50,000 space basically.
Yeah, and we're using Minecraft blocks to build the base. It's 10 by 10 by just 10 by 10 by 10 is the two. Yeah, 10 by 10 by 10 is approximately. But whatever.
Which is 100,000 square.
Oh, I think I reached the math.
Square stuff. I don't know my math. Like if we patch the floor up or something.
I think it's already glitching out with so much of this because I'm already.
Okay, James. I'm pretty sure that's enough now. Time for my turn to do my channel.
Okay, you do. Okay. So.
He's gonna do something.
Okay.
Here, I'm just like watching.
I'm gonna help build with the blocks.
Okay, so so me, so I'm here with Jams 5 and GeckoHand.
Rawr.
And we're just doing something extremely dumb. So we decided to have the great idea to make an enclosure out of Minecraft blocks in GMod and fill it up with the bouncy balls and then explode the entire thing.
Yeah,
we are using Minecraft blocks because it's just easier that way. As you can see, Jams has thrown a metric crap ton of C4 in.
Metric crap ton.
About like 400, I think. It's more like 150 though.
Yeah, GeckoHand's just been trying to connect for like 3 days probably.
That's what it feels like. 1,
2, 3, 4. I can't count this. 1, 2, 3.
Just count the corners.
Second we add the bouncy balls inside there, it's gonna go like crazy, friends out.
Just try hard enough. That's why you need to.
It's gonna go kabam.
That's why you need to make a frame.
No.
To know how many blocks you're doing. Max.
Okay, how much is this already?
I have absolutely.
I'll go one more.
Okay,
yes,
pause.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the 8th.
Okay, yeah. Basically,
Max, I'm doing the
if we're gonna do 10 by 10 by 10, this will be 100. The volume would be 100.
I already explained everything.
Too bad.
I'm just gonna cut this out.
How dare you?
I'm not gonna do any actual editing, so this is just gonna be a quick video.
I'm just gonna leave this like this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do some editing.
I don't care. I don't care about whatever.
Yeah, whatever. Fine.
Okay, this is 9 right now, Max, right?
This is the 10. Yeah, this is 9.
Now just close it up and we'll finally have our space.
It's already lagging because I'm recording and I added a bajillion C4. What if I accidentally detonated?
Yeah,
That would suck if I accidentally detonated, but
imagine like in the middle of the explosion.
Okay, so now we'll patch up the
dies.
Max, why don't we add one more layer and then put the roof on top of that layer instead?
You're gonna mess up my calculations.
It's 10 by 10 by 11. Screw it.
How dare you use my language against me?
Easily.
10.
Okay, this is the 11th layer.
Yeah.
Too many. I think this is the 12th layer.
It's the 11th.
Okay, so now we are patching up the ceiling, leaving one hole. to put the balls in.
Actually, it's still gonna
Also,
be.
we will be also putting in extra power melon.
No, we're not gonna
Just
put
to make it big.
Max, we're
Yes,
not gonna
we are.
No, Max, it's already too
The
glitchy.
It's
game
gonna
is
be
gonna get
colorful
really
and amazing.
The game is just gonna go
But
like...
I'm pretty sure if you do that, then like this game will physically.
my computer's
Physically.
Max, my computer's already gonna explode. Just leave it at that.
This is like super hot right now. That sounded weird.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh well.
What part of that sounded weird?
Excuse me?
You're excused.
Your computer is probably hot.
Actually, no, my graphics card is. Games are supposed to leave a hole for you.
We're not.
We could just Max. We could just get out like this.
We can fly.
Okay, time to do the bouncy ball part. Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna like do a cinematic film of you. Wait, how do I get rid of the? Wait, James, give me a second. I'm trying to remember how to like get rid of. Oh yeah, I need to do the camera. Wait, give me a second.
Okay, so I'm ready.
Camera.
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Start, James.
Okay, I
Dun,
did
dun,
this
dun.
instead.
Start. I'm doing a cinematic
He's
shot.
getting the balls.
Okay, it's about to go crazy house in here.
Oh my God, the C4 is sticking to the balls.
Oops, I accidentally air horned.
Make sure you don't accidentally explode everything.
No, that's why I'm holding an air horn.
Okay.
It looks like a grenade, but it's just an air
Oh my god. This thing's glitching so much that even the
Oh my God.
the share
Where's the
screen
limit?
is physically turning off.
Okay, we got it.
Oh no, I'm glitching so hard.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Okay.
James,
I'm not even playing when my computer's like kill me.
Okay, let's just hope that it'll let me get a good shot.
Okay, Max.
I can't even record this because my screen's turning black.
Okay, sorry. Yeah,
I'm not even playing and I need to turn up my fan for my computer.
Oh wait. I need to get rid of the overlay,
What overlay?
the Discord overlay.
Why? No.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, wait, give me a second.
Okay. Why do you
I'm
get
sorry.
rid of-
This will take like a couple of seconds.
Okay, so,
Sorry.
I'm gonna go to the. Come on! Open the weapons.
I'm sorry. 10 more seconds.
No, it's not that. It's not that. It's just it's so glitchy.
Does this in the next afternoon?
Okay. I'm ready to get the shot.
I'm afraid my computer's gonna die right now.
What about our computers?
Yeah.
Wait, let me just quickly feel my graphics card.
So he dies. Burns his finger off.
Wait, if only I can.
My computer's
If only
not
I
hot.
can feel it.
Okay.
Since I'm on the
not hot at
PC,
all.
I have to turn up the fan so it doesn't overheat.
Okay, Max.
It's actually not hot at all.
Max, whenever you're ready.
Wait, no, wait, I'm not ready yet. I'm over my bed. Wait.
I'm over my bed. Wow. Wow.
I'm ready, James. Oh,
Oh God, I'm trying to move a little bit, just so I can actually.
scared.
See.
What are you scared for?
my computer.
3, 2, 1. I'm good.
Is it not doing anything?
No, I'm just dying.
Oh my God.
That was extremely anticlimactic.
No.
Squish!
Oh God.
Squish!
At least my computer's back.
That was extremely anticlimactic, honestly.
I know. Well, this.
Damn.
Well, this is a dumb idea, and we got nothing in the end. So this will be the end for today's. What should I call these short videos? I don't know. I'll decide on the name next to one of these types of videos. Bye.
Doesn't.
No, you.
Come on.
Bonk. That was honestly really fun to do, though.
It took time. Okay, whatever.
3,
Okay,
2,
guys.
1, tija.
Wait, Max, go up to the very top building.
I'm being such a hypocrite to my neighbors because my neighbors always are like loud, but now I'm the loud one. Wait, James, you know what we should
Max,
also...
go up to the rooftop. I want to end this video on a funny note.
I don't have.
Max, go up to the high rooftop. I'm
I
waiting.
already finished recording.
Oh, just go up to the high rooftop. I'm gonna record myself.
I swear, if this isn't the last load, I'll be so mad.
Well, I probably gotta go in like a minute or two anyway, but
Probably. What about you, Max?
okay, Max.
Honestly,
Max, go to
I
the,
do.
go
Wait,
to the
James, you know what?
top.
Wait, something weird is happening. Okay, wait, James. You know what we need to do?
What?
We need to do the ragdoll fighting thing.
No, we're not doing that.
Yes, we are.
Like one more time.
No, James, you're supposed to run. There. Is it not working?
How did I unlock one achievement?
Well, we're ending this video like this. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed.
No.
I hope you guys enjoyed.
No, James, we need to wait, James. Can we at least record the thing for my social media?
Okay, cool. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys later. Jam Jams out.